All right, so today we're going to do a deep dive into something pretty specific.
Very specific. The Blustream PRO-OUT4H-V2.
And this isn't some gadget you'd find on a store shelf.
Yeah.
It's a, what is it, a four-way HDMI 2.0 output board.
Exactly. It's a component, a piece of a much larger puzzle for, really high-end AV systems.
Right, and our whole mission here is to cut through the jargon, all the numbers, all the acronyms, and figure out what they actually mean.
Well, the best place to start is performance. With this board, it is all about speed.
You mean bandwidth.
A lot of it. It's built for the full HDMI 2.0 specification, so that gets you a full 18 gigabits per second, and HDR support, of course.
Okay, so 18 GBPs. That sounds like a huge number. And I think the question a lot of people might have is, do you really need all of that bandwidth today?
That is the essential question. And the answer is yes, you do, if you care about one specific thing.
Yeah, that is?
That's 4K UHD at 60 Hertz with 4.4.4 chroma subsampling.
4.4.4. Okay, so for those of us who aren't living in the world of color space to base, what does that actually buy you?
It buys you perfection. It means you're getting full bandwidth, completely uncompressed color.
So no information is getting thrown away to save space.
Not a single bit. Most consumer 4K, even good stuff, uses something like 4.2.0 compression. It discards some color detail. With this board, if you start with a perfect signal, you end with one.
And that's why you need the full 18 gigs of bandwidth.
That's why. And physically, it's pretty straightforward. You get 4 separate HDMI outputs to connect to your displays.
Which brings us to, I think, system design, which is really where this thing seems to shine. It's not a standalone box?
No, not at all. It's a card module. It's literally designed to be slotted into a bigger chassis.
Into the Blustream Custom Pro Matrix Hub.
Right, and that's its architectural advantage. You can take any source that's plugged into that main hub, a server, a computer, anything, and route it to 4 completely independent displays.
I saw in the specs they mentioned quick-release card module fittings. That sounds like it's really built for the installer.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, think about a big commercial rack. If you need to upgrade an output or if a card fails,
You don't have to rewire the whole thing.
you don't take the system down. You just use the quick release, pop the old card out, and slide a new one in. It's all about maximizing uptime.
Makes sense. And for modern content, I assume it's got the necessary copy protection.
Oh, you have to have it. It's got full HDCP 2.2 support.
The key for any protected 4K media.
Yep. Without it, your screens just go black. And it's not just video, it's audio too. It passes all the heavy hitter audio formats.
So Dolby True HD, DTS-HD Master Audio.
All of those, and critically, the object-based formats like Dolby Atmos.
So it's really the whole high-end package.
It's designed for zero compromise on either front.
Okay, let's put this into context then. The price alone tells you we're in the professional space. What is it, around $765?
Yeah, that's the list price, which, isn't cheap for one card. But it also comes with a 5-year warranty.
That's pretty serious.
It is. But the detail that really stands out to me is that it's TAA compliant.
TAA.
Right.
Do you see that a lot on commercial gear? What does that actually mean for the person buying this?
TAA is the Trade Agreements Act. And what it means, practically, is that this product qualifies for U.S. government procurement contracts.
Ah, I see. So this is aimed way beyond just a fancy home theater install.
Exactly. This is for major commercial projects, for educational institutions, for government facilities where sourcing requirements and long-term reliability are mandatory.
So wrapping this up, the bottom line for you is that this board is the solution when you need absolute total assurance.
Complete assurance. You're getting that perfect 4K 60 4.4.4 video, all the audio codecs.
And it's all in a scalable modular system that's built for complex setups.
Precisely, which, it leaves us with an interesting thought.
Go on.
Well, given this growing demand for these high-spec, easily serviceable components like this Blustream board, what does that mean for the future of large-scale automation? Are designers starting to prioritize system redundancy and ease of maintenance over, say, just the raw upfront cost?
That's a great question. Something to really think about when you're planning that next big system build.